So within my classroom, I deal a lot with emotional intelligence and using art as therapy. Now, one of the ways that I have created an immersive experience is through Mozilla Hubs um, to get my kids to participate in the idea of um, exploring their own emotions to create an emotional, intelligent, and empathetic community. So, my students throughout the year tell me a lot about their experiences and traumas that they're going through. So, this room is actually used as a pinning board for them to discuss certain aspects of their lives that need to be addressed, certain aspects that are pretty traumatic in their lives. And what we are doing is creating almost an art room gallery to these experiences. Now, this room isn't just for them, it's also for their parent or adult partners in their lives. So, what the idea is, the students will come in here and they will discuss anonymously what they are going through in life. They will then pin it up onto the board, and then the adult partners will come in, and it does elicit an emotional response from the adult partners. And the emotional response is geared towards finding solutions, coming up with ways to overcome these situations that our students are in. And some of these experiences are pretty traumatic, such as these ones that I am showing around in here. Now, as everything is completely anonymous, that does allow my students to have a voice that they don't want to utilize in class. But it also has a component where I can bring in counselors and we can discuss, options with the students. And if they do want to, move forward in talking and discussing these issues with the counselors in school or in class or however they need, that information is also in here. Within this room, I can pin up documents. I can show this really quick. I can add websites. So when a website is opened and clicked on, it will appear in their browser window. This can be useful for resources and information, such as finding ways to cope and overcome experiences. I can also post videos in here. Now I've also created a secondary room, which is very tranquil and filled with positivity and ways of overcoming and meditation and ways of dealing with stress. So that is a component to the classroom that I will be eliciting emotional responses to and from my students within my room. Thanks.